y'all doing? Back with another banger game. And so my auntie Leah, she sent me this cupcake kit and a cupcake maker from Baby Cakes. Y'all, it is already smoking. It's already smoking because it's already ready. So yeah, this cupcake maker is just... And then this thing right here, the cupcake kit, it comes with 32 decorating nozzles, 10 disposable bags, 2 sliced silicone, bags, 2 culpers, 2 bag tia, 1 flour nail, 1 flour lifter, 1 cleaning brush, 1 storage box. So, yep, that's all the stuff that it comes with. And then we have our 2 eggs, we have our measuring cup, we have our bowl, our whisk, we have our cupcake things. These 2 blue and pink icings. Got the regular cream, the vanilla cream cheese icing. Then we got the Oreo. Then we got this, the Oreo mix, y'all. And then we got some sprinkles. And then we got some eyeballs because I want to do a Cookie Monster cupcake. Most important, this I'm not going to touch the top because it's really hot. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, and we got a special guest. My twin for life, my ride or die, my mama. Come on in, mama. Come on in.
I don't know what she's talking about.
They can't even see you.
Ride or die.
That's my twin forever. If we locked in, ain't no switching up. You know what I'm saying? Okay,
I don't know who she been hanging with out at school, but all these extra antics can stop. All right.
Okay, mama. So what we doing today?
I guess we're making these cupcakes.
What's your name? First, say your name.
Mom. That's all they need to know.
Hold up. Hello, Bob. How are you doing? Hello, person. How are you doing? What is your name?
I'm great. Mom is doing wonderful.
Okay, so...
And what's your name?
You want to interview me? This is my channel. You don't get to interview me on my channel. You can get your own channel. So what will we be making today?
Oreo cupcakes.
And what will your design be for the cupcakes?
I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Well, let's show off this cute Baby Cakes machine that Sienna got from Christmas.
Don't touch the bottom.
So this is the Baby Cakes machine. So that way we don't have to heat up our oven.
Yeah, so put it back
And let me open it up for y'all. It is heating up because Sienna already plugged it up so it can start heating up for our cupcakes. And as you can see, makes 12 nice sized cupcakes in here. On the front of it, it has a power button and a ready button, so we already have it plugged up. We know it's ready because it has turned green. We'll go ahead and start mixing up the mix. So I'll let Siani handle that, and then, oh wait, I forgot to show them this. And so then we have
I still did that.
52-piece cake decorating set.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let Siani mix this up. Do you want me to just...
Look at the oil, please.
Okay, so I'll grab the oil. I'm gonna get all her ingredients together for her.
I had my AirPods in the whole time. I didn't even realize.
So I'm gonna take
Not right now. I don't need it yet. It's in the oil.
I'm preparing your ingredients for you.
Go fill this up with water, please.
How much water do you need?
2/3.
So show me where the 2/3 is at.
Right here, Mom.
All right, just making sure you know.
This ain't no test.
It is a test. I'm gonna make sure you can read the measuring cup.
We've been working on fractions all day in school. I'm good.
Okay. She good. We'll see how good these cupcakes is.
Oh, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If I could eat all this powder right now, I would. This smells like straight up This smells like an Oreo cake, bro. No, it smells like Oreo ice cream.
It says it's Oreo cupcake mix.
I'm gonna go to Oreo cake.
It smells good. One second. That's good. I don't want all your germs all over the mix now. Come on.
Man, these are my cupcakes. You don't even like sweet just like that. Okay, so where is my water, lady?
So let's see. Wait a minute. Let's see your mix. So that's what our mix is looking like. Our Oreo
Why is the
mix.
bottom of this thing wet?
Because the bowl was wet. I just washed it. All right. So we're pouring in next.
Now our 2 cups.
2/3 cups.
2/3 full of water.
All right.
Your dog will lick the bowl and the spoon. What we doing?
How much oil do you need?
1/3.
1/3 cups of oil.
Oh, 2 egg whites. Where my bowl at? Can you give me
Oh, just egg whites?
Yeah, I know how to do it. You just keep flipping it back and forth.
So you do one, I'll do one.
Okay.
Let me see if she's gonna do this egg white right, y'all. Get y'all a close up on her.
Why is it cracking like that?
Cause you ain't cracked the egg right.
You're watching me so carefully.
Girl, get this egg in there now.
I'm trying not to get any egg yolk in it.
She's taking forever.
Yeah.
Oh, this egg white. All right, so. See, so crack it on the side. Open. Just gonna let the egg white fall. The yolk in the other side. Go back and forth. As you can see, that's all of the egg whites. So the rest of this in the trash.
I got all of my egg whites.
So we have
Gooey.
just our egg white here.
I'll go pour this. I heard it again. Why is it yellow? I'm trying to get some of the Oreo chunks.
You got a few more lumps in it, but you don't want to make a mess.
Okay, you guys, he said I got a few more lumps in it. I'll go get it. Hey, this how I get. See, I got that good all work. Okay, that's good, Mom. I know how to tell if it's good or not. I've been in the kitchen for years.
How many years you been in the kitchen?
9.
Can I just get one whip in there? Let me just make sure.
You can have 2 seconds.
Let me see. Let me just make sure that.
I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good.
Count it too fast.
No.
There's a few lumps right there. Let me do one more 10 seconds.
No. I said no. This is my cake.
This is our Oreo mix.
Okay, y'all. While she's showing y'all that, I'm gonna start.
All right, so now we gotta start putting the papers in the pan. Let me read it to make sure we don't have to spray this thing. We shouldn't have to though.
We don't have to.
Let me see the directions. All right, so everything is mixed up. Let me get a spoon. So I'm gonna pour a few and then you can pour some.
Do 6.
Okay. And you only have to fill these up halfway. All right, that's enough licking. I poured too much on that one. Let's see how
Trying to focus on me.
All right, now Siani's gonna start pouring hers. All right, so now we're just gonna spray the top of the pan so that the cupcake doesn't stick to the top of it. A little bit of Pam here. All right, now let me spray the top. All right, put our cupcakes and we're gonna go ahead and close it up. And we'll be back in about what, 10 to 15 minutes, Siani? Alrighty.
Okay, y'all. So while we are waiting, y'all want to know what the best part is? I'm gonna give y'all 3 seconds to go, and it comes down below. And answer. Okay, the best part is licking this bowl. Cause baby, I ain't finna get salmonella today.
Can we set the timer so our cupcakes don't burn?
Hey Alexa, set a timer for 13 minutes.
13 minutes, starting now.
So I guess we'll check back in 13 minutes since Siani say the booklet says they cook somewhere in between 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, and it's
So
already been 2 minutes, so that's why I did 13.
we will come back once these are ready to come out
Cake batter just
of
landed on
the baby
Cake
cakes
batter just
oven.
landed on my foot, y'all.
Okay, go put that away. All right, guys, so the timer just went off for the cupcakes. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of here since this is super hot. And let me open this up so y'all can see how they came out. And they look beautiful. I'm doing this so Siani doesn't get burnt. I'm just gonna take all the cupcakes out so they can cool. All right, so our Oreo cupcakes are out. I'm gonna let these cool for a few minutes and then we'll come back and get them decorated.
Okay, y'all, so I already showed y'all all the stuff at the beginning. We got the sprinkles, this stuff that I had warmed up and stuff while I was on camera. And then I already showed y'all all the piping tools, so just let's get into it, period.
So these are our piping bags for the icing. Step 1. It says put the coupler in pastry bag and cut off extra. Let's place it in the pastry bag. So let's show them what it is first.
Okay, so here's this. Here it is.
You didn't even hold it up long enough. That's the coupler.
Yes. Okay.
And slide it into the pastry bag. So you're gonna push it down as far as it can go, and then what's left, then we're gonna cut the rest of this plastic tip part off right there. Hold it.
That's not even gonna work.
Why not?
Okay,
what's step 2?
You gotta put this on here. Who was at my dough?
Put on cake decorating nozzle.
Okay, so which one I want to use first?
That's pause. I gotta see who's at my door, y'all.
Okay, so now we need to twist them on. We're making a video about it. So now we need to twist this on. It's on, y'all. We got it on. We didn't even. Hey, we twisted it on. Yeah. This is the first one I want to use. You can do your own piping bag. You got to know.
I will do my own piping bag because I don't think you gave the people a clear instructions on how to do this.
Okay, hold up. Now we gotta. What we do with this icing?
Wait a minute. So this was the cake decorating guide and 32-piece nozzle set. It shows you the nozzles that you will use to make these particular designs. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm putting my
I showed you this.
You're gonna have all the icing, cookies and cream icing?
Yes, that's why it's called Oreo icing.
Okay, I'm gonna do mine with regular white icing. Into the plastic bag.
Lady, come on. See, you cut yours first, but you don't want to do mine like that?
So now I gotta find which one matched number 2. Are these labeled in here? Here's my number 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my icing in here because she is taking too forever.
So I put this on the outside of this?
Yes.
Okay. Put that on the outside. Do I screw it?
Yes. No, don't screw it. Just push it.
Just push it.
Okay, y'all. So I'm finna take my spoon and I'm finna put it in here.
I told you to stir that icing first, but
We good.
you don't need a lot because it's just for that particular cupcake.
How do you
roll
know?
the bag down first?
How do you know it's just for that particular cupcake? We got 12 cupcakes.
And you have enough space to just put just enough icing in there. Alright, so I'm scooping my icing and then
A song full of the voices that the cats are tired of singing.
down in my bag.
Oh, I forgot there was a hole, so it just went right through.
So I have my icing in here. And then kind of smooth the icing down.
My cookies is falling out my hole.
Then you probably just want to sprinkle them on top now.
I want a straight swirly like that. You hear it? It's interrupting my video.
Alright, while she's working on hers, I'm going to get started on mine. So, I think I'll just squirt and pull up. Let's see here. Alright, now y'all book me for y'all cake decorating services. Bam!
Okay.
Y'all just hit me up on Sienna's Hair World for all y'all cake decorating services. Ain't that beautiful? So now you gotta wash that. She's only eating those. I'm not eating anything that she's making. Isn't that pretty, y'all? Maybe I put a few little sprinkles on top. Maybe just leave it like that. Call me for all y'all wedding decorating services.
Man, y'all, if we didn't have no cupcake maker, she would be lost.
You act like I don't know how to cook.
Nobody tried it. Okay, y'all. So now I gotta do this blue icing for my cookie monster. We finna take the big stack that we can find. Here you go.
Stop. You just take some scissors and cut the tip off.
I'm trying. we struggled that last time when we made those cupcakes at grandma's house.
I don't know what number I'm gonna try this time. I'm just going to go with.
Now I'm mixing it in with this because last time I did that, all my cookie was just falling out my hole.
My first one kind of like my second one. It's a little bit of a different design, slightly. These are a little bit bigger over here. These are a little finer on this side.
It's not gonna work.
Wow.
Because it's just this type of tip. It's not gonna work.
It's coming out good. What's the problem?
It's not.
Let me see.
It looks sloppy.
Well, you just gotta keep practicing, Sienna.
You've never done this before.
I didn't. But
Zach, what's the giving you practice?
you must be squeezing it down here. You're only supposed to squeeze it because yours keep getting clogged.
She be squeezing it in the middle.
Yeah, you can't squeeze it in the middle. You only gotta hold with one hand and squeeze from the top. Now I gotta try to unclog this.
That looks sloppy.
No, don't show the camera.
Yo, that looks sloppy.
It looks good.
I thought
For your first try, it looks good. Try another one. With one hand. Not down there, no. Because that's how it keeps getting clogged. So you want to flatten all this out.
my heart didn't work.
And you want to hold it up here and squeeze. Don't hold it over the icing down there. Squeeze. Because you already squeezed it. Remember I told you only one hand? No, but before I told you that you had both hands on there. And when you do that, you keep clogging it. So now I got to go unclog it again.
Again?
Because you had both hands on there. You're not understanding what I'm telling you. There you go. Pull up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, our cupcakes are all done. Here they are. What you got to say?
Mine, every single last cupcake of mine came out horrible except for my Cookie Monster one. Because y'all.
Well, here's her cookie. Here's her Cookie Monster one.
And this is my favorite though, because that one actually
She did a good job on that one. That one was good.
Did I show this one?
All right, so this baby cakes machine was really cool.
It really was, y'all.
Our cupcakes were done in like 13 minutes. So, wait a minute.
It was actually shorter than 13 minutes. We just let it cook.
Baby Cakes Cupcake Maker.
Well, my auntie Leah.
Then all of our little pieces to help decorate our cake. Awesome, awesome gift. I'm glad we got a chance to use it. We didn't use our sprinkles this time, but we will next time.
This is the Cookie Monster. This is the cookie right here.
Let's get it out.
Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Gang. Let's get it.
Ain't no gang.
Man.
Bye.
No! Stop. No, Mom. Actually, let me do my real outro.
Well, hurry up.
Okay, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you would try this baby cakes and you order all that stuff. And comment down below, how do you think, I'm not going to ask you how you think my cupcakes turned out because they look horrible. How did Mommy's cupcakes turn out? Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Gang. This was a hit, a banger, all that. Bye, y'all.